a white low ingwa o alasanga le folasa male ko ngale ai. That is my name. Listen for kami na polala latino funga la pa ya wa ula pale kele oi. Listen for I my ya u. May sing a local nigga don't mess with me. Mala ua ika lelo o ya u. Wa ula every ko ua mau. Ke ea o ka aina ika pona laie. I'm not Hawaiian what you think I am. I'm 100% pure SA yeah. Do you have a story to tell?
Oh yes I do.
Well then explain yourself.
Woke up in the morning, put on my SOS hat, walked down the stairs to get the Samoan cat, walked to the closet to get my Nike shoes, and I walked out the door, picked up the Samoan new, walking to school on a sunny day, and then I bumped into a girl that was in my way. She was selling drugs and thinking she was cool, and so I bought some and smoked them in school. I took 3 puffs and started to get high. The next thing I knew, my dad passed by. He put me in by my face and put me up on my nose, and in the wink of an eye, he had a rubber hose. He was whacking me here and he was whacking me there. And while he was whacking me, he was pulling my hair. The next thing I knew, I was on the ground. I didn't even know I was flying around.
Back and alive and I'm feeling kinda great. Say your prayers, lock your doors before it's too late. Cause Bishop G rocks the party
All night long,
until when?
early morning.
And you don't stop.
Yeah, and you don't quit. Yeah, and you don't stop. Yeah, and you don't quit.
on this track.
Whoa.